Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make chili lemon pickle, updated. Start by washing and drying all chilies and lemons thoroughly. Chop chilies and slice lemons into bite-sized pieces, then measure salt and oil precisely. Toast and grind spices gently for best aroma. Combine ingredients in a clean bowl, mix well, and transfer to sterilized jars. Let the pickle mature in a cool, dry place for several days before tasting. Toast mustard seeds, fenugreek, and cumin until aromatic, then cool and grind coarsely for texture. Mix ground spices with red chili powder and turmeric for color and heat balance. Measure ingredients precisely to maintain consistent flavor across batches. Toss spices with chilies and lemons immediately to coat evenly. Add oil to bind the mixture and enhance shelf life while allowing flavors to develop naturally over time before serving. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: on another note, the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes and notes anywhere effortless with a crisp screen and long battery life. It's perfect for kitchen reference without taking up counter space. See the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like. Thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Cool sterilized jars fully before filling to avoid condensation inside. Fill jars leaving a small headspace, then seal tightly to prevent air exposure. Check for any signs of spoilage like off smells or mold and discard if present. Label jars with date and monitor flavor. Pinch tests help you decide readiness. Proper storage keeps your pickle bright and safe, and a thin oil layer on top helps protect the mixture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.